Y'all cannot tell me that this is not my natural hair.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me. Big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss, big boss, with a big, big boss, big.
Hi guys, what is up? It is your girl Karlisa and I am back with yet another video. So if you are new here, my name is Karlisa. I do hair videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, as well as entrepreneur content. So if you're into any of that kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the clique. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. Not different, but more like a throwback. I haven't reviewed a synthetic unit in a while, but I seen this unit on Beauty with Kat. And I'll leave a picture right here. So I seen this unit on her and I was like, ooh, I got a cop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this review. So yeah, y'all, without further ado, let's get on into it. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing a synthetic unit, okay? Because I seen this unit on an influencer and I was like, I gotta cop this. And then when I tried the wig on, I was like, no ma'am, somebody's got to see this. So I decided to go ahead and share it on my channel for anybody else that may be interested. Okay guys, so we are going to be trying the Outre lace frontal wig, and this is going to be their halo stitch braid. Rude. Hold on y'all. So today we're going to be trying the Outre lace frontal wig. This is their halo stitch braid 14 inches. So I'm gonna do the unboxing as like a voiceover so that we don't waste too much time here, y'all. Hey guys, so I got the Outre halo stitch braid 14 inches. This is a pre-styled wig with a free braided headband included. This is what the headband looks like. I'm not going to use it, but just to show you guys. So I got the color DR Chai Latte. DR stands for dark roots. The dark roots are all throughout, thank God. And it's just a beautiful brown color with blonde streaks. So inside the cap, there are 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps and a breathable cap. And now I'm just putting my wig on the mannequin head so you guys can get a close-up of how well this hair is braided. The frontal on this unit is absolutely beautiful. They did an amazing job with the braids. These are stitch braids, so yeah guys, the stitch braids look really, really good. The baby hairs also look really nice. They're not too thick and crazy looking, and they give you enough so you can do whatever you want with them. All right, y'all, so first of all, somebody told me they liked my bonnet in my last video, so I'm gonna link it down below. It's from Billionaire Barbie. Love this bonnet, absolutely adore it. My edge wrap is upside down, but this is from my girl here on YouTube, C Bunny Beauty. I used it to lay down my edges. Nothing special, just so that they're away from my lace. It's got her logo on it, C Bunny Beauty, C Bunny Lashes. So I'm gonna link that down below as well, just in case y'all are interested. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all why I don't do synthetic wig reviews anymore. I don't wear too many synthetic units because I realized my skin just does not mesh well with synthetic hair anymore, and that's fine. But I'm gonna show y'all why I had to buy this unit and why I had to show y'all what it was giving, okay? So this is fresh out the box. This is no makeup on it. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see this? It's giving scalp. Okay, look how well this is braided as well, y'all. After I just threw the wig on just to see what it looked like, and I saw the scalpage, I was like, yeah, I gotta share this with the girls on YouTube. Like, they got to see what it's hitting for. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do her up nice, and then we can chat. So now I'm just taking some tweezers and I'm gonna thin out the baby hairs. Not too much, but just a bit, because I know that if I were to try to lay them, they would look a bit too thick for my liking. So I'm just plucking a bit so that they look more natural. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match powder to try to get that lace to match my skin tone. But I did realize while trying to use it that I did not particularly like it. It just was not good enough for me. So yeah. Now I'm going in with my Eben tinted lace in the shade medium brown, and I'm just spraying that all over my lace to make it a more natural color to my skin tone. And I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but there is a difference. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and move the baby hairs out the way, and I'm gonna take an eyebrow razor and I'm gonna start to cut the hairline. I like to use eyebrow razors because it makes the lace nice and jagged so that it looks a bit more natural. No one's hairline is super straight. So yeah, if you use a pair of scissors, just try to go in up and down motion so that the lace is jagged and it can blend. Take your time. You don't want to cut the baby hairs and you don't want to cut the lace like I'm about to do right here. At this point, I was...
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Yeah, y'all, I was over it. So yeah, just take your time when you're doing this so that you do not make the same mistake that I did. I personally like to just clean up the lace a bit with my scissors and then cut the ear tabs off with scissors. It's a lot easier than trying to use the eyebrow razor. Purr. So I noticed that my hairline was sticking out more than I thought it would be. It didn't look like this when I first tried on the wig way before I had started recording. So I don't know, y'all. It just is what it is, but we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of sort of fix the issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin to lay the baby hairs. I'm just clipping the curls out the way. So I'm cutting the baby hairs with an eyebrow razor, and then I'm going to lay them with some Got2b glue gel. Now, this did take me some time. I like to take my time with the baby hairs because if you cut too much, you can't go back. So I like to take my time, figure out what length I want, and then slowly work my way up. And yeah, I broke my eyebrow razor, y'all. It was a lot going on, so I got another razor, and then yeah, I'm just moving the baby hairs to where I like them before actually going in with the Got2b. And yeah, y'all, this took me a minute. I don't know, y'all, I've been having trouble with baby hairs lately, but yeah, so just take your time until you get your desired look. I tried to make them, I regret thinning them out as much because yeah, I didn't realize my hairline was going to be sticking out as much as it was, but I tried to make it work. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. As you can see, it gives very much scalp. It gives very much what lace. It gives very much synthetic wear, honey. So yeah, I was super hype about this wig. Just stay tuned and I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts. So y'all, here I'm just trying to figure out how to put on the halo headband for y'all, just to give y'all a demonstration of what it would look like. And long story short, y'all, I couldn't figure out how to get this over my big head, so it was a dub. It was a dub, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. How are we feeling? So what I did was I tried to make them thicker so that I could like hide this section better. And then I just pulled some hair from right here and pulled it down. It is big head friendly, but I have huge cornrows, have a lot of hair. My hair is not flat under this, so it is what it is. I already knew what I was up against. So yeah, guys, this is a halo stitch braid, and it says halo stitch because it these are the stitch braids, but it comes with like a halo headband. First of all, I couldn't even figure out how I would get this over my big head. That's number one, okay? But I just don't feel like it matches, because even the braids right here have a bit of the blonde in it. This doesn't have any blonde in it, but you know, to give you guys just an idea of what it's supposed to look like, you would put the braided headband right here-ish so that it looks like you have the halo braid as well as the stitch braids. So yeah, it just doesn't give with this color, number one. And I bought the wig just for this look. I didn't too care about the halo braid part, but if you do care about the halo braid part, here it is. I didn't use it because I just don't feel like, I don't know, I like the stitch braids. I wasn't too keen on the headband part. I just wanted this look right here. I thought this was super cute, so this is what we're going with, okay? Yeah, let me just go ahead and give you guys a lovely review. So I give this unit a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love, I mean, this, like, look at this, y'all. It's giving scalp, y'all, like scalp. I know you guys can like see a little bit of the lines of where the wig ends, but in person it's seamless. You guys have to remember I'm shooting with a ring light so you guys can have like the perfect lighting. Outside and in regular lighting, you're not going to be able to see this. Like looking in my mirror right here, this looks like my natural hair, okay? You cannot tell me this is not my natural hair. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. You can't tell me this is not my hair. But anyway, yeah, so they did a great job with this unit, you guys. It's super lightweight, super bouncy. The curls aren't uniform so that they look more natural. Like as you can see, some are looser, some are tighter than others. And it's like it's a soft texture too. It does feel synthetic, but it looks really good. Like if I were to walk outside right now, I'm telling y'all, I promise you guys, no one is going to be able to tell this is a wig, okay? So it looks like a natural wash and go as well. And then obviously they did a flawless job with the braids, so it just looks like, scalp. Like I'm actually kind of creeped out. It doesn't look synthetic at all. Like, I mean, y'all could correct me if I'm wrong. It doesn't look synthetic. Like head on, y'all, this does not look like a synthetic wig. And Outre just did an amazing job, and I'm super happy I got this wig. As you guys saw in my last wig review, I did a blonde unit. It was more blonde than brown. This one's a bit more brown with some blonde. So I'm trying something different. You know, it's springtime. I'm trying to give you guys these colors. So this wig is perfect for spring. It's nice and lightweight, super breathable as well, you guys. So I can tell that I'm not gonna get hot in this if I were to go outside right now. It's not gonna be, like, it doesn't feel like I'm even wearing anything for real. I can feel like the baby hairs, but that's about it. Like other than that, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my head. This unit is super lightweight and bouncy, you guys. Yeah, I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit, you guys. Get it? It's like the perfect synthetic wig. It is on the pricier side, but when I saw this in person, I could see exactly why it was pricier. I think I paid $40 something or $50 something, and then after shipping it came out to $60. I'll leave it on the screen as well as the link down below. Everything on this unit is perfect, okay? It is perfect. The color, the curls, the lace, the braids, the baby hairs. I mean, they are on the thicker side so that you can do whatever you want with them. Y'all can't tell me they didn't do a good job with this wig, and y'all cannot tell me that this is not my natural hair. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. I have nothing to say. I do apologize that I don't have anything more to say, but literally the unit is perfect. Go buy the wig. Go buy the wig. Like, this looks like I colored my hair and did like a nice little wash and go. So yeah, y'all, comment y'all thoughts down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions that I did not answer in this video. Leave them down below and I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. The link that I used to purchase this unit will be down below. I purchased this from Wig Types. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.